Getting free traffic to your dropshipping store is great when your budget is tight, but it's also great when you want to save on advertisement costs. Follow me on this video to learn 8 amazing ways to start get organic traffic to your store. I will first give you a short answer, then dive into each possibility to get your free traffic. Make sure you follow me the entire 8 steps to get your Shopify organic traffic. If you have any methods, please leave me a comment below. Hi, my name is macklauss. Some of my friends will just call me MK. I'm a full-time digital marketer and now I'm building up my own YouTube channel to share my knowledge online on dropshipping business. My vision is to be the leading digital marketing channel in the world, and my mission is to provide my knowledge to empower young online entrepreneurs to create positive change on their life. If you first time watch my video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button, and as well as turn on the bell. And don't forget to leave me a comment what type of challenging you are facing in your dropshipping business or anything related with e-commerce. If you have, I can make some video for you. There are a lot of ways to getting free traffic to your dropshipping store. Think about using SEO, creating a blog or YouTube channel, being present on a social media, or simply by answering questions people asking inside your niche. Just remember that getting free traffic takes time and consistency before you see the result. Method number 1 of free traffic for dropshipping is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a big topic which I cover on this video. If you missed the video, you can click on the link above and go to my previous video. I will show you a few different ways to rank in search engine with your dropshipping store. A great way to start with SEO and get free traffic is creating a blog on your dropshipping store. Free traffic is not only reason for you to start a blog. It's also great to show that you have a knowledge inside your niche you are selling in, and it's great to keep your visitor longer in your dropshipping store as well. If you don't have any niche for your dropshipping store yet, I suggest you go to my previous video on how to select your dropshipping niche. The first step to creating blog posts. If you are CommerceHQ user, then this is very simple. Just go to the CMS tab and then choose a blog post, create a blog post. As you can see on the screen right now, it's a really simple where you need to fill in the title and content and so on, and then click save. If you are Shopify user, then go to your Shopify admin page and then go to a blog post under the sales channel. After that, you just press create a blog post. After that, just add on a new blog post in your Shopify store. Second step is optimizing your dropshipping store for search engine. After you have adding a blog post to your dropshipping store, it's not only the way you're getting free traffic from your search engine. You need to optimize your store on other pages such as your sales page or your product page. This way, your product could end up number 1 on search engine when people type of the name of your products. Do keep in mind that SEO is a long-term strategy because it takes time before you start rank for keyword. It could be shorter when your website or your store is older and you publish more content already. But if you are just a beginner, it will take definitely a tough pill to swallow, because you may decide to focus on free traffic like organic traffic, but to know that it will take a long time before Google will show it in search result, and it's worth to build it. Method number 2 for free traffic for dropshipping is YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. As a result, there is a great way to build a brand around your dropshipping to create a YouTube channel. It's not only a great way to improve the strength of your brand, but it's also get free traffic. This free traffic comes to you for 2 reasons. If you search for something or found on YouTube video on the top, well, because of YouTube video are extremely visible in search engine if you learn to use SEO for your YouTube video as well. Another reason is that YouTube is basically another search engine for people is search for information. If you decide to create your YouTube channel for your dropshipping store, then I suggest you can create in your channel in the 3 different playlists. The first one is a testimonial from your customer. The best way to increase the trust people have with your dropshipping store is that they can see other people that have bought a product from you in the past, just like you're putting your review on your product page. This way, they can know they are not alone and they can see you make other people happy with your product. By rewarding a coupon discount to your past customer, you can request them to make a video from them talking about the product they bought and why they like it. The second is a product review. It's a great way to spark some of interest in your product is to make a video of it while you are reviewing it. This way, you can link back that product in your YouTube video descriptions. The third video you can film is an educational video. There are videos that are going to educate your people inside your industry. For example, if you are selling cat products, then you could share a tips and trick on how to make your cat the happiest cat in the world, or how to learn your cat tricks that a video of your target audience is going to love, and they are going to happy with the information they will just learn from you. If that happens, there is a chance for them to remember your name and maybe even come to your store later on. The third channel for organic traffic is social media. Creating a social media profile is another great way to build your brand and get free traffic to your dropshipping store. Do keep in mind that it takes time and consistency to build up your social media profile. Don't expect to get free traffic the next day. Also, it may be harder if you are having a general store because you don't have a clear target audience. There are a few social media platforms that you could start up with. The first one is Instagram. Creating an Instagram for your dropshipping store is great. It's also kind of a necessity if you have to advertise on Instagram later on. Like using Instagram influencers show up. However, you can match your target audience age as the survey on the age group. Majority of the users in the Instagram are getting younger. Majority of them are below 44 years old. If your target audience is more elder age, let's say 44 years old and above, then I recommend you go to the second social media platform, which is Facebook. Facebook is the biggest social media platform out there. There is like a 99% chance of you already heard about it. That's why I wouldn't bore you here with what Facebook is. Facebook page is a great way to build more trust if you decide to run a Facebook advertisement. Later on is to create your own Facebook page. The reason you have to create a Facebook page is because people can see that your store is active, and also having some like on your Facebook page help people trust you more when they decide to click on your advertisement that they saw on their Facebook news feed. That's why it's a great to start building up your audience from the beginning. Facebook group is another great option to use Facebook for free traffic. Is to either you join a Facebook group or build up your own. Almost every niche have their own Facebook group. Facebook user will join a certain group to get some answer for their questions. So providing value Facebook group will growing and attract more people to join in. The third is Twitter. Another great way to increase your presence inside your niche is to create a Twitter profile for your dropshipping store. You can follow people inside your niche. A great chance of them will follow you back. You can grow your Twitter account by using hashtag correctly. The fourth free traffic for dropshipping is answering questions. Another great technique to get free traffic to your dropshipping store and to build authority inside your niche is start answering questions on Quarrels, Reddit, or and forums. You could link back the blog post you wrote on your store or to your whole store each time you are giving an answer. This could lead people to like what you are wrote and checking out your store or blog post you are wrote. In Reddit, you may need to find some so-called subreddit that is inside your niche or is related to your product you sell. You can see that there are a lot of subreddit with your product name in. You can of course join a multiple subreddit if they are all four inside your niche. Your goal is to giving as much value as possible. Don't start off by directly posting a new post with a link back to your store or blog post. You need to start by giving value before post any link back to your store. Quora is a question and answer based website. Someone can place a question on the site so that other people can reply with their answer. You can reply to the question inside your niche or regarding a product that you are selling. There are just few of the questions that come up when typing your name or a product. A great thing about this is you can show that you are knowledgeable inside your niche and you can link back to your store or blog post that wrote each time you are giving an answer. But don't forget that they are same as I say above on the Reddit. You need to give as much value as possible. Forum is another great way to educate people inside your niche and market yourself to known to join a forum. A lot of niche have their own forum. Just make sure that you are providing value first before you post any link back to your store or blog post on your store. Otherwise, it could be hurt your reputation and your business. I do have a great tips for you in case you want to use forum. You can add your store link to your forum signature. Visitor of the forum who like what you are wrote could be end up visiting your store. The fifth channel, Shopify organic traffic, is write an ebook. If you know a lot of information inside your niche, then another great way to build your authority inside your niche and get your name out there is to create an ebook. You can write an ebook around a certain topic inside your niche. Your goal is to educate the people inside your niche, basically same as what is writing a blog post on your store. After you are creating an ebook, it's time to promote it. You could give the ebook away for free, or you can sell it, or you can give it in exchange for the email address. I will share more on email marketing later. Make sure you follow me until the end of the video. Number 6, for free traffic is commenting on others' websites. Commenting on other websites is another great and easiest way to get more traffic and to rank better in search engine. Basically, you go to other websites inside your niche and start commenting on their articles, like giving your review on the articles, adding suggestions and so on. Just please keep in mind that your comment need to be added value. Don't just type something like great articles and expecting people will visit your store. Adding comment is not only bad because you won't get any much traffic from it, and it could get your business a bad reputation inside your niche as well. Number 7, free traffic for dropshipping is start an affiliate program for your dropshipping store. Adding an affiliate program is a great way to motivate other people to market your product for you. You pay these people a certain percentage of the sales they bring in. The great thing is that you won't have to pay a dime for marketing, just the percentage of the sales that you are paying your affiliate partner. You could use this to motivate visitor or past customer of your dropshipping store to visit people that know to your store. The problem is with this is that you need to have a traffic already in order to make it work. Number 8, for Shopify organic traffic is email marketing. The last way to get free traffic does need a traffic in order to work, but it's also great to keep getting your visitor come back to your store. Your goal is to have your store visitor, customer or visitor on your store blog post subscribe to your email list. This way you can use the email marketing to get them back to your store, get them buy more or build more trust before presenting an offer. Make sure email marketing strategy is in your retargeting sales funnel. There are a few email marketing apps are useful in the market. I will share the link below the description box. So, are you ready to get started with dropshipping? Or maybe you have already started but you're looking to get some inspiration. Follow my channel, I will share you a lot of dropshipping tips to grow your business. Inside, I have left a link to get 2 more stores for free on CommerceHQ with 14-day trial. If you want to find out more on CommerceHQ, you can go to my previous video, learn more. $99 in CommerceHQ is cheaper than $29 in Shopify. Thank you for watching. If you are first time watching my video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell. I will share a lot of tips on dropshipping business, and later on will be how to making money online. My vision is to be a leading digital marketing channel in the world, and my mission is to provide my knowledge to empower young online entrepreneurs to create a positive change in their life. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment below if you have any thought, idea and would like to share with me. I will reply all of them personally. Good luck in your dropshipping store.